Hi, everybody. It's Liz. Noticed that a lot of my students have problems with using next and last and this when it comes to days of the week. And so I made up a little activity that I thought might help. And we're going to do like a little quiz kind of thing. Um, so, as you know, like in Japanese, when you say last something, it means the very last one. So if today is Friday and you say last Wednesday, it means this Wednesday. But in English, that's not true. Same with next. If you say next Sunday, it would be this day if you were thinking of it in Japanese terms, but that's not really true. And it's a little bit hard to describe. And even for Americans, sometimes we have to clarify within our conversation. So I'll see you next Wednesday. And then, oh, do you mean like this coming Wednesday or a week from Wednesday? So let's practice a little bit. So if this red dot represents today, let's say that today is Friday the 15th. And I said to you, my birthday was last Sunday. That's a little bit ambiguous, actually. Let's say that today is Wednesday, and I say my birthday was last Sunday. Does that mean the 10th or the 3rd? Actually, that would mean the 3rd. If my birthday was on the 10th, I would just say my birthday was Sunday. You see, so if it's very immediate before or after, it's better not to use one of these words at all. Just say my birthday was Sunday. Okay, what if I say my birthday was this past Sunday? Then that means the 10th for sure. What if I say his birthday was 2 weeks ago yesterday? 2 weeks ago yesterday. That actually means his birthday was 2 weeks ago as of yesterday. So that would mean his birthday was the 28th of last month. Okay. What about this? My birthday is a week from Saturday. And of course, these are all birthdays, but they could be meetings or flights or whatever. My birthday is a week from Saturday. So that would be here's Saturday, and it's a week from Saturday. It's the 23rd. How do I know that it's not past? Because I'm not using a past tense verb. So the verb, if it's past tense, will tell you that it's in the past, and if it's present tense or future tense, it'll tell you that it's in the future. Okay. The meeting is next Tuesday. Okay, so if today's the 13th, meeting is next Tuesday, then I would say that it was the 19th. Okay? Because it's almost a full week away. So next week's Tuesday. But if this is today, if today is Sunday, the 17th, and I said the meeting is next Tuesday, it wouldn't be this. If it was the 19th, I would just say the meeting is Tuesday. The meeting is on Tuesday. Speaking of on, please notice that all of these, when you use last, next, this, we don't use on. Okay, so on, if you use one of those words, you don't need to use on. All right. So if this is today, if today's the 10th, and I say the meeting is next Tuesday, it's not this one. Tsugi no janai. It's the next week's Tuesday, the 19th. Okay, the festival is this coming Tuesday. So this coming Tuesday means without a doubt the very next one that happens. So this coming is what we use to kind of clarify if there's ambiguity. The festival was a week ago, and the original was we just said a week ago, Saturday. Okay, so if this is today, and I say the festival was a week ago, Saturday, then that would mean it was the 16th. As of this Saturday, it was a week ago. The meeting is next Friday. If today's the 21st, then the meeting is the 29th. If today is the 5th and I say the meeting is next Friday, Is it the 8th or the 15th? It's the 15th. If I wanted to really clarify, I would say not this coming Friday, but next Friday, right? And then the other person might say, yes, a week from Friday. Okay, so I understand that it's complicated, it's confusing, and sometimes the best way to get it straight in your head is just to practice. So that's why I made this practice. The meeting is next Wednesday. Okay, what day is that? This is the 5th. The next Wednesday is the 13th. The meeting is a week from tomorrow. If today is the 5th, then the meeting is on the 13th. Yes. The meeting is a week from this coming Monday. So let's say today's the 8th. The meeting is a week from this coming Monday. What date is the meeting? It would be the 18th. So this coming Monday is the 11th, and it's a week from that. So it's the 18th. Notice that we're using present tense verbs to mean future in this case. So sometimes we do that. If it's a scheduled thing, sometimes we'll use a present tense verb to mean future, right? My flight leaves next Saturday, or my flight leaves at 8 o'clock tomorrow. It's present tense, even though we're talking about the future. Okay, so this is an example of when it's an immediate thing. I don't really have to use next or this or last. If today is Friday the 8th and I say the meeting is on Monday, it's very clear that it's this coming Monday. Okay, if today is this day and I say the meeting was last Monday, then it's a little ambiguous. I would probably assume that it was the 4th, but I would clarify. The meeting was last Monday. Oh, do you mean this past Monday or 2 Mondays ago, a week ago Monday? Of course, it's much easier just to say the number. It was on the 4th. But for some reason, Americans tend to like to use the days of the week. And like if you said, like if today was the 15th and you said the meeting was on the 13th, that would be sort of confusing to me. I would be like, the day before yesterday, you mean? All right. The election is on Tuesday, means this coming Tuesday, the 19th. I went there last Saturday. In this case, if today's the 15th, I would say I went there the 9th. If it was even this day, I would say I went there last Saturday was the 9th. Or you could just say, I went there Saturday. I went there on Saturday. I saw him on Friday. If today is the 13th, I saw him on Friday would be the 8th. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. I hope it's not making you even more confusing. Let me know if you have any questions about this or anything. See you later.